Hey everybody, this is Brajesh here. To provide relief to businesses grappling with the economic impact of COVID-19, central government in a welcome move, considering the adverse impact of COVID-19 and resultant lockdown on large number of taxpayers, has extended the timelines for various compliances under GST. Central government wide notification number 55/2020 and 56/2020 dated 27th June 2020 has extended the time limits for various compliances under GST other than the filing of return and payment of tax. The above notification applies to the actions to be taken by the taxpayers as well as the tax officers under GST. Accordingly, the due date for various compliances under GST, which falls due from 20th of March 2020 to 30th of August 2020, can now be done by 31st of August 2020 without any adverse consequences. The list of compliances for which the date has been extended to 31st of August 2020 are as under. The extension is applicable to the departmental actions, that is, in respect of completion of any proceedings or passing of any order or issuance of any notice, intimation, notification, sanction or approval or such other action by whatever name called by any authority, commission or tribunal under the provisions of the Act, and the assessee's action, that is, in respect of filing of any appeal, reply or application or furnishing of any report, document, return, statement or such other record by whatever name called under the provisions of the Act. Next relief is in respect of filing of refund claim by the assessees as well as the issuance of refund orders by the department. The 2-year time limit from the relevant date for filing of the claim as well as the time limit for passing of the order, if falling due from 20th of March 2020 to 30th of August 2020, has been extended to 31st of August 2020. Also, filing date of Form ITC 04 in respect of reporting of job work transactions for March 2020 quarter as well as for June 2020 quarter is extended to 31st of August 2020. Next, filing date of Form ITC 01 or 02 or 03 pertaining to ITC availment or transfer or payment is extended to 31st of August 2020. Next one is filing of form number GSTR 5, 6, 7 and 8 is also extended to 31st of August 2020. Provisions related to assessment, demands and recovery which are falling due between 20th of March 2020 to 30th of August 2020 has been extended to 31st of August 2020. Provisions related to filing of appeals which are falling due between 20th of March 2020 to 30th of August 2020 are also extended to 31st August 2020. This is a relief for taxpayers. Provisions related to amendment, cancellation and revocation of cancellation of registration which is falling due between 20th of March 2020 to 30th of August 2020 is also extended to 31st of August 2020. However, please note that the relation shall not be to the followings. Number 1, date when the liability to pay tax arises in accordance with the time of supply. So you have to deposit the GST as and when it falls due. Number 2, date related to the preparation and issuance of invoice, bill of supply, delivery challan, etc. So you have to issue the invoice, bill of supply and delivery challan at the time of supply itself. Therefore, no extension in time limits prescribed for issuance of a tax invoice as per the provisions of the Act. Number 3, date of withdrawal of composition benefits on crossing the stipulated turnover limits or breach of conditions, that is, switching to regular scheme when threshold of 1.5 crore rupees is crossed in composition scheme. Number 4, provisions related to obtaining the new registration on being liable to obtain the same, including by the casual taxable person and non-resident taxable person. So you are required to take the new GST registration as and when you become liable to take the same as per the GST provisions. Therefore, no relaxations for compulsory registration. Number 5, no extension shall apply in cases of arrest provisions also under GST. Number 6, in respect of due date for intimation of retiring partner from the firm. So, as and when any of the partner of the firm retires from the firm, then he has to give the intimation thereof to GST department within 1 month from the date of his retirement. Number 7, all provisions related to e-Bill in respect of its generation, validation, verification, detention, seizure, release of goods or conveyance has to be complied with, and there is no extension in respect thereof. The relaxation is for expiry of e-Bill in certain period, but no relaxation for its creation. Number 8, this notification excludes the provisions of the Act, that is GST Act, as specified under section 129 with respect to detention, seizure and release of goods and conveyance in transit. This would have been of immense help to you in understanding in detail that what timelines for compliances have been extended under GST so that you may plan accordingly. Keep watching this space for more videos of your interest shortly. Stay safe and healthy.